So, doon kami 133B. So yun mga kabalen, dito na kami sa Bacolod ngayon. Kung saan sikat ang Inasal. Kung saan nagsimula ang Inasal. And ito ang tinatawag na City of Smiles. So look. There. Tsaka yun. Pero, thank you sa pagsundo! Raven! So yun, sundo kami ni Roma. So yun everyone, dinala kami ni Roma dito sa Lagoon. Ito yung request namin sa kanya, yung tusok-tusok lang, yung mga legit na kainan dito. So yun sila. So mahabang kainan kasi meron pa siya doon. So tutusok-tusok kami. Yun guys, umorder ako bagnet pares, tsaka ito yung bagnet pares, lechon kawali yan, tsaka ito yung beef pares. So sangkapan na natin sila. Limited bawang, calamansi, and pepper. So yun guys, ganun pa natitikman kasi gutom na kami. Tikman muna natin tong, tawag kasi ito kawali. Lechon kawali na pares.
Oo, lechon kawali.
Hindi ko siyang tikman. Legit, ang dami niya laman.
Sarap. Sarap.
Oo, sarap.
Tangina magsalita ka naman, masarap ka.
Ang sarap.
Oo, diba?
Tapos syempre may rice kami.
Tapos masarap.
Tapos may barbecue pa kami kaya. Kami pa beef pares. Meron silang beef pares dito. Legit yung lasang sarap. Ayan. Thank you, te. So, ayun guys. Ang sarap ng foods dito. Ayan, oh. Tapos, dito yung sikat na Inasal. So, kahit sa tabi-tabi lang, gilid-gilid lang siya, guys. They have this chicken oil.
Chicken oil here in Bacolod.
Uy, perfect. Let's taste it. So guys, sa Bacolod, ito yung pinakamanghang na sila. This is the spicy one here in the Bacolod. Not unlike to other places. So spicy. So we have like calamansi. Nag-English ako kasi nga, baka para din sa mga manonood na foreigner. Para makaintindihan lahat. So ganito yung ano nila dyan.
Katumbang ang tawag nila.
Katumbal.
Yeah.
Katumbal.
Katumbal ni Ana.
So guys, this is the foods that we order. We have chicken and chorizo de
Cebu.
Si Roma.
de Roma.
Di Cebu.
De Cebu. Chorizo de Cebu. Tapos,
Correcto.
ito, barbecue nila. And then ano to?
O, tungol.
Tungol?
Butchite tungol. Tungol.
Ano yung tungol?
Para sa manok, part ng kanang chicken. Ano na ka mo ng patikon, no? Na gusto mo. Next ang dessert.
So guys, let's dig in. Sarap. This one tastes like tocino. May tamis siya. And then,
Yes.
sobrang tasty. Pork, choice pork. Parang beef yung ano niya, lasa niya. Malambot siya. And then, let's taste the chicken here.
Go lang.
Hakaton kang lalagahan mo.
So let's eat. You like this?
Pala yung nila.
Oh, yun ba it? So guys, we have chicken for this dog. So yun, kabalen. Dito na kami sa bahay ni Roma. Yan o. Roms! Yan, thank you sa pagpapatuloy sa amin.
Give you time!
Yan, so ito yung house niya. There. So let's see. Magkakanta tayo sa bahay nila.
Wala, hindi. Ay, wow.
Nasaan ito? Try ko to.
So, hi mga kabalen, yun nga, hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina kasi nga sobrang busy namin. Nasa bahay na kami nila Roma ngayon. Mag-aalas 2 na, 1:53. We have to sleep and rest as well, syempre. Bukas, pupunta kami ng Sipalay. So, pupunta kami ng Sipalay bukas, morning. Alis kami bukas na maaga kasi 4 hours to 5 hours yung biyahe doon. Buti na lang, may sasakyan yung kaibigan namin, si Roma. Inip siya kaya binili niya kami ng ticket para mag-travel dito since it's a long weekend. Wala kaming pasok ng Friday, tapos day off namin Saturday, Sunday. So, mahaba-habang galaan to. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung video ko na magagawa for this Bacolod trip.
We are going to Sipalay!
So yun guys, palis na kayo puntang Sipalay. Ang nag-drive si Roma. Hi Roms! Ben!
What the dog doing?
Dito na kami sa bandang Kabangkalan yata to. So yun guys, stopover lang kami dito sa 7-Eleven, Kabangkalan. Malapit na kami siguro dun sa pupunta namin sa, ano ang tawag? Sambugana? So doon kami pupunta later. Mag-stay kami doon ng 3 days. 3 days kami doon and 2 nights. Yung mga makikita nyo dito, hindi sila mga palayan. Kung hindi, puro tubo. So hi, Kabalen. I will try to talk in English. Not too much English, not full on English, okay? I'm not that good in English. So that everyone can watch and everyone can understand. Right now, we are in Tank Seafood Restaurant. So we will try here because this restaurant is near in our hotel and it's 12 p.m. So it's lunch. That's why we go first here. Then later on, I will show you our hotel.
What the dog doing?
So guys, this is the table we are going to sit, and in front of us there is a river. So there is a bridge over there. The view is so good, it's giving. I like it. So Raven and Roma are ordering their meals. So I will show you what the foods that we are going to eat. Hi guys, this is the foods that we ordered. They have crabs, chop suey, and blue marlin, and then also scallops. The last one is pork chop. Let's eat. So it's grilled pork. Perfect. I love the taste. So guys, you will taste the blue marlin. Blue marlin. It's soft. And then I like the crab here. So this is the crab that we have. Sarap. Hey, it is good. The sauce is good. It's spicy a little bit only. Sorry guys, I want to talk in English. Hindi sa maarte ha. Hindi sa pagpanggap. Tagalog tayo, pero kailangan ko magsalita ng English. I think I need to talk in English for some of my videos or some of my clips so that everyone can watch and everyone can understand it. So don't judge me guys. So this pork chop has a partner, a dip or a soy sauce. So Roma, can you please lend me the dip for the pork chop?
Oh my God.
Mapagpanggap. This pork chop is perfect for this soy sauce. That is soy sauce, okay? So it has lemon. So, hindi ko alam yung kalamansi. Ano ba yung English sa kalamansi? Lemon lang naman, di ba? Ooh!
Pork chop nito.
Tastes good. Crap.
Yeah, the pork chop is very gummy.
So guys, let's eat. I love the blue marlin. It tastes good.
Can you give me a
It's
portion, my dear?
Actually, it's a sizzling blue marlin.
Portion only. Dapat inano mo yung fast, mabilis.
Si Ron na bala dyan. Hey Ron, bala dyan. Bilisan mo na. Bilisan mo lang dyan. Thank you so much for supporting Wawawi.
dog doing?
So guys, ito yung merienda namin. We have pizza, lemon, Sprite, and Absolute for later. Yeah, I'll drink a lot. So hi everyone, it's evening na, and then we ordered pancit and chicken binakol. So guys, they said chicken binakol is a like tinola in Filipino. Oh, so in Tagalog, it's tinola. Difference in Bacolod, it has coconut. Ano yung coconut tawag doon? Coconut ano? Niyog.
Coconut kaneme.
Yun, coconut, yung sabaw na coconut. So,
Kaneme.
the water of coconut. So, it has the sabaw of coconut.
Panginabo ko, Diyos.
Oh, yeah.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so this is coconut. Yeah. So, if you can see that, but in Tagalog, we don't put coconut. So, this is the coconut. But if you taste it, like, I cannot taste the coconut juice. It tastes like tinola. It's chicken with lemongrass. This is the lemongrass. Ikaw na bala mag-edit, Ron? Sorry na. Lasing na kami. They also ordered this pancit. They put a lot of vegetables here. Like beans, cabbage, and carrots. It also has chicken. This is good. Ay, ang sarap. It tastes good. Masarap nila, iba siya. So, lasang pancit canton talaga yun nila dito. Yung pancit nila. It's very tasty. Good morning mga kabalen. Second day in Sipalay. So, we just woke up and we need to go down to eat. So, our breakfast is free. It's already included on the hotel that we pay. We'll see you later. Yeah, I'll check downstairs what are the available foods to eat. So, see you. So, yun na mga kabalen. Hello. Good morning. So, this is what I ordered. This one, chorizo. Okay. Yung sa'yo, Riven.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. So, it's a literally breakfast. Egg. Ay, wow! Look, mozzarella cheese. So, ito yung order ni Roma. Times 2 mo na lang turon. Thank you. Gano'ng address yun? Talo siya. Bobo siya. Ay, bobo siya.
Ang bobo naman! Oh, kung ano inclusion dito. Sakit!
Oo nga, ibabrag niya.
Ayan, perfect.
Dapat makapasok ako. Wow!
Ay, perfect. So hi everyone, we ordered sisig and Bicol Express. So let's taste it. So hi everyone, it's lunchtime and 1:32 p.m. So let's eat. Bisaya words that I've learned here. First Bisaya word, lame. So, yummy if tasty. Or masarap. Or delicious. Yeah. Kaya mga kabalen, yun nga, 3:30 p.m. na and then ready na yung bangka. Water activities kami and then hindi ko dadalhin yung camera ko kasi yung kaibigan namin si Roma may dala na siyang Action 5. This is for water, under the water. So, pwede siyang madala mamaya. Then, I will leave my camera. So, see you! So, yun mga kabalen, after diving, umorder kami ng fruit platter. Yan. May apple, may mango, may banana, and avocado, and orange. May ano rin kami, pansit and pizza. So, let's eat! Kaon na! Kaon na! It's currently 7:30 p.m. and then, since we are tired, we decided to order foods here in our room. These are the foods that we ordered. So we have sizzling tofu here, and I already taste it and it's so good. And also salad. What do you call this, Raven? Bugana salad. I don't know what is this. I think it's apple, but it's supposed to be grapes, but they don't have grapes right now, so it's okay. The main course. So we have this back ribs here. So 1 cup of rice, and it also had salad, and then the sauce of this back ribs. So it's big, super. And then also we ordered extra rice so that we can save money as well. It's good for sharing. Mga na, let's eat. Let's eat. Ang laki ng baby back ribs talaga nila at ang sarap. Ang sarap yung sa kanin, nakakatuwa. Sobrang laki nitong ribs na to. Hindi na maubos to. Grabe ang laki.
Mga Bisaya magaling magluto.
Ang galing dito sa Sipalay, sa hotel na napuntahan namin. Kasi dito ko na-order ng pagkain mo yan, daming choices. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Tapos, so far, wala pa kami natitikman na pagkain nila na hindi masarap talaga, literal. If I were you guys, if you are from Bacolod, try here in Sipalay. It's so good. The hotel that we visited, so good morning mga kabalen. Let's eat na. Currently, 8:17 a.m. Maaga kami aalis mamaya. So, ito yung breakfast ko. Ayun si corned beef and with egg. Kay Roma. Ayan siya. Buenos dias. And omelette. So, ayun si Roma. Nice na yung drone niya. And then, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung shot nila. So guys, ito pala yung room namin. Pagpasok mo, may makikita kang cabinet dito. Yan, so it's cabinet. And then, the CR. So pauwi na kami nito kaya medyo makalat siya. So meron sila cabinet dyan, table syempre. And then, yung bed. Ito yung malaking bed, queen bed. Tapos, actually, ito, nakataas to. Meron dapat ito. Kaso, binaba namin, mas prefer namin nasa lapag kami ni Raven. Tapos, ito. Yan. So, may salamin siya dyan. Ayan, nag-moist lang. Kasi paglabas mo, ito yung makikita mo. There. So, may pool dyan paglabas mo. And then, ayun yung beach. So, ayan yung beach. So, ayun nga mga kabalen, we are going na back to Bacolod. I think 4 hours yung biyahe, doon na rin kami magla-lunch since umaga naman kaming kumain dito. So, ayun mga kabalen, ma-update nga lang. Stop over muna dito sa Dunkin. Kung saan kami nag-stop nung papunta kami, dito sa Kabangkalan. So, yan. Dito rin kami nag-stop. So, bumili lang kami ng coffee and donut kasi na kami kanina, nag-lunch na kami. Parang brunch doon sa hotel.
Hindi mo ano din talaga.
Master niya din. Ayun nga, ang galing niya na. Wala nga lang siya sa lane. Yung sa gitna siya ng ano.
Nandahan na ba eh?
Kinakabahan si Ate Ro.
Hindi naman, yung kung mag-beep ka, dito ka ganyan lang.
Ganon. Dito ko kasi ayaw kasi.
Hindi dyan.
Dito pala.
Oo. Sige.
Ay ba, wag na baka
I-try mo lang.
Ay, oo nga no.
Okay, so Matt is driving right now using a car. Also, he is planning to buy a new 2025 G4 Garage.
Or probably he will go to Toyota Race.
Yes. Then say to the I actually recommend Toyota Race also.
So yun, lalabas kami para kumain guys.
Okay, so ayun na nga, lalabas kami para kumain. So right now guys, palabas kami dito ngayon sa subdivision namin. And ngayon, pinag-waste ko lang si Matt para hindi ako turo sa kanya. So, we are going to Sugba restaurant here in Bacolod.
Dito ba?
Oo, diretso ka lang.
So, after guys, magpapamassage kami. After namin kumain. So, see you later!
Yes. Bye!
Bye!
So, guys, we are here right now in Upper East in Bacolod. So, ito po yung night market ng Bacolod. Yan, daming tao. Ayan, so yan po yung night market. Sundan mo lang yan, Matt. So, eto yung Landers. Yan yung Landers. Huwag ka nang tumingin dyan, Matt. So, ito ito din, extension ng night market namin dito.
May side mirror niya lang.
Ako na. Ayan. So, yan yung extension ng night market. Ang daming food, local food dito. Okay, yan. Coffee shop. Yan. Okay, so ito yung one of our biggest market here in Bacolod. This one is the Burgos Market, guys. Yun. Ito. Okay. Ngayon, we are entering Lacson Street here, the famous street here in Bacolod.
Why? Why it's famous?
Because this is the longest street from north to south. And then ito po yung street na ginagamit for Mascara Festival. From south to north.
Dito yun?
Yes, this one. Dito yung mga street dance papuntang south, from south to north. Wala ng parking. Okay, so this one is the Sugba, guys.
Ay, ang social naman.
Ayan. Mura nga lang dyan, ang sasarap.
Dito kami kumain ngayon sa Sugba Inasal Seafood. So yan, since sikat yung inasal dito, kaya umorder kami ng chicken. And also, we have Bam Ai. So let's eat! Ooh. Yes! So guys, let's eat. Let's taste their chicken here. There.
Ito pang kalamansi.
I like it. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng rice niya. Yeah. So guys, dumating na yung Blue Marlin namin. So nakita namin si Ate... Anong Joy? Si George.
Nasa US.
Ay, okay. Hello po. Thank you. Ang bait.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Guys, nakita ko si Jai. Ay!
Kompleto na yung...
Parang na-blackout ako. Diyos ko.
Oo, wala.
Tikman natin yung Blue Marlin. Ay, mas masarap dito yung Blue Marlin kaysa doon sa isa. So, yung guys, nakita namin si Jai. Wala na akong nasabi sa kanya nung pag nakita ko siya, nagpa-picture na ako, na-blanko na ako. Naalala ko yung napanood kong interview niya. Yung minsan nagpapalit sila ng magkapatid sa isang show. Para kung pag may sakit yung isa, hindi kaya magtrabaho yata ng isa, parang gano'n. Kaya ayun. Kaya tuloy ako, hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko. Pero ate, kung nakikita mo man to, tiga Pampanga po kami. Pasyal kami dito sa Bacolod. Kasi nakita ko pa namin. Ako, pag nakita kasi ako ng artist, parang gusto kong picture eh. Pero kung pag maraming tao, hindi ako nakikipila. Natutuwa lang ako na nakakakita ko ng mga artists. So, ang bait-bait niya. Thank you po!
So, yun guys, kakatapos na magpa-massage tapos magtitikan ko. Hindi na. Norder ko chamomile.
Anong flavor sa'yo?
Oo, chamomile. Ito yung dalawa. Roma and Raven.
Diyan kami nagpa-massage, Spa Natura. So yun mga kabalin, pagkatapos na magpa-massage, bumili muna ng mga gulay na kailangan ni Roman sa bahay. Tinulungan na rin namin siya. So dito daw yung mga bagsakan ng gulay. Ayan. So hi mga kabalin, last day here in Bacolod. So we are going to DSV! So hi everyone, that's the mountain where we are going to have coffee.
Hello, Kitty! Park lang ko.
So hi everyone, we are now here in Asri Villas, Bali inspired. So there, those are the designs. And then you can see it especially in the inside. And Raven. So this is Ate Mia, our co-workers before, and her baby. So hi Ate Mia. So beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. So you can also swim here. There's a pool. And then you can also stay here for a night. You can also use this bonfire, and you can see the mountains in front of you at night. Dumating na lahat ng orders namin. So we have chicken, pad thai. I hope it's good. I love pad thai. We also have sisig and pakbet. Let's taste their pad thai. Masarap. Nahibas ang lasa na hindi ko ma-explain. Parang sauce.
Sarap, diba?
Parang masarap siya. Okay lang. So, let's taste their vegetable here that they cook. It's good for rice. So, they have kalabasa, they have eggplant, and green beans.
Yeah, they have lageris na. Yung lager support, hindi nyo dumadami.
Good. Super sarap ng food dito sa Bacolod. Hindi siya biro-biro.
That's super
Chicken.
chicken. Hindi pa mahal.
Buti na lang guys. Ang swerte namin sa mga napupuntahan namin lugar, wala pa yung hindi masarap talaga. So, hi everyone. Dito muna kami nagstay sa Kalea after namin kumain. Kasi sikat daw to sa Bacolod. At masarap daw syempre. So, let's taste it. So, yan siya sa loob. In order namin yung mud pie cake. Sikat na sikat daw dito yung mud pie cake. Ito na yung coffee namin. There. So, tikman natin yung ano nila, mud pie cake. Wala na kami ginawa kundi mag-food trip. So, ayan siya guys. So, let's taste it. Ano to? Ice cream?
Ice cream cake siya.
Ice cream cake. First bite. Ay, masarap nga. Masarap ng gantong cake. Ice cream pala to. Ice cream pala itong lahat na to. Tikman din natin to. Ano to? Sa Srival.
Picture mo kay Jack.
Market. So, ito yung coffee na in-order natin. And then, ang galing, may sugar cane sila dito. Kung kulang yung tamis ng coffee mo.
Show your dumbbell.
So guys, nag-order pa sila ng
Blueberry cheesecake.
So yun guys, we're here at Kalea. Me, Raven, Ate Mia. Hello Ate Mia. Roma. And her baby, which is si Chloe.
Bakit?
Chloe!
Smell?
Chloe! Ayun everyone, so dito kami sa Bongbong. Malapit lang siya kaya linakad din namin. Ito yung sikat na bilihan ng mga pasalubong dito sa Bacolod. So yan siya. So yan yung mga sikat na foods dito na yaya. Ayan, masarap din to, Burquillos. Titignan natin kung magkaan tayo dito. Ito nga pala yung favorite ko also. This bizcocho. So yan si Raven. May mili na siya. So yun guys, napurong namin yung piyaya natin.
Ganito talaga karami. Dalawang cellphone.
So yung mga nakabili pa kami ng t-shirt dito sa Uniqlo. And also, shirt. So ayan siya. Para pang outfit namin sa Hong Kong. Yay!
So yun guys, iwan muna namin dito sila Ate Mia, Kids Paradise. Ayan, so maglalaro si Chloe for 1 hour. Hanggang doon siya, malawak siya. Guys, may nakita kaming tusok-tusok dito sa harap ng school. Ayan. So bumili kami ng marami para food trip kami mamaya. So hi everyone, we are now at house of Roma, our friend here in Bacolod. And then later, ang flight namin is 11 p.m. We have to go like 8 or 9 p.m. kasi malapit lang naman and she have car so we don't have to hurry. Madali lang kami makakarating doon. Siguro alis na kami dito ng 7 p.m. Makapag-dinner kami sa labas and then we are going back to Manila. So guys, nagluto sila ng sinigang para sa amin. Thank you so much po. Thank you, Roms, for accommodating us.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Ang suka, tublang ay isa kagamay, ihatag sa iya, kag ang chicharon nga duha ka bilog.
So, hi everyone! Before kami pumasok sa airport, bili muna sila dito sa Mercy ng bread para matikman din namin kung ano yung lasa ng mga tinapay dito. Katabi lang siya ng airport actually, so malapit na kami. So, yan sila Raven and Roma. Hatid niya kami. Bye-bye, Roms. Bye! So yan guys, ipapacheck-in na namin tong mga maleta namin. So yun guys, nagpa-extra kami 38 kilos. 1.6 yata yung magpa-extra baggage. Ang ginawa namin, linagay na namin para wala na kami bit-bit. Ito na lang at saka yung backpack. While waiting sa plane namin, nag-meeting muna si Raven. Buti lang sakto may meeting sila at hindi pa namin departure. So yun guys, pasakay na kami. Finally. Bandang likod kami dito. See you later. So mga 1 hour lang siguro yung biyahe dito. So see ya! Ang ganda ng chair ng ng AirAsia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is AirAsia flight. Should the need arise.
So yun guys, finally, thank you Lord, nakarating kami ng safe. Kukunin na lang namin yung baggage namin, then punta na kami Pasay. So yun guys, hanggang dito sa AirAsia kasi makita yung CCTV doon na binababa na nila yung mga gamit namin para ilagay dito. Ba't sira? Sira niya talaga na eh. There. Ay, pasig na lang.
Finally, kabalen, nakauwi na kami from Bacolod. Oy, tanga, sobra pagaling magbiyahe. Pero nakaka-enjoy siya kasi yung pag-travel to other places, ang laking tulong sa amin, especially working from home. Nasa loob lang kami ng bahay. Same routine, trabaho, matulog, magtrabaho, matulog. It's a therapy for us. Yung makatikim kami ng bagong foods na hindi pa namin natitikman, and then also makakita kami ng mga lugar na magaganda na hindi pa namin nakikita. And also, thank you Roms and Ate Mia for accommodating us for 5 days. Promise, ang laking savings. Si Roma may sakyan siya. Sa kanila kami tumira. Roma, thank you so much for helping us. You know, you are our best friends. And also Ate Mia, sobrang close namin. They are our best friends. So, we've been together for 5 years. I think di kami araw-araw mag-usap. Pero once na magkasama-sama kami, ang sarap nung ganun. Guys, if you like my video and if you enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe. I will appreciate it if you leave comments on my videos. It means a lot to me. Kahit isa lang, dalawa, ginaganahan lalo ako. So, see you on my next videos, guys. Bye!